This short tour will take you to Sikkim and Darjeeling. The nearest railhead is Siliguri and New Jalpaiguri. The nearest airstrip to Darjeeling and Sikkim is Bagdogra in North Bengal. These places are well connected with the other destinations in India by roads. Sikkim is a land of peace and tranquility, heaven on earth, land of mystic splendor. These are just a few of many phrases used to describe Sikkim. Gangtok, the capital of Sikkim. Hanuman Tok. It has a temple of Lord Hanuman where the devotees come and offer prayers. Because of its locational advantage, the view of the mountain along the horizon is just magnificent, especially on a clear sunny morning. Himalayan Zoological Park. 8 kilometers away from Gangtok is the Himalayan Zoological Park, which covers an area of 205 hectares. We will get to see different species of deer, red panda, Himalayan black bear, snow leopard, blue sheep and other animals in this unique setup. Red panda. Being the state animal of Sikkim, the very beautiful animal red panda is worth watching one. Bamboo shoots and malling shoots make up its staple diet, while they are even seen eating roots, grasses, leaves, fruits and eggs as well. Ganesh Tok. It is situated on the ridge at the distance of only 7 kilometers from Gangtok. From this spot one can get bird's eye view of sprawling Gangtok town, while across the hill Mount Kanchenjunga and Mount Sinalcho loom over the horizon. Inche Monastery. An important seat of the Nyingmapa order, the Inche Monastery is built on the site blessed by Lama Ruptok Karpo, a tantric master known for his power of flying. This 200 years old monastery has in its premise images of god, goddesses and other religious objects. Gangtok Ropeway. Covering the distance of about 1 kilometer in only 7 minutes, it takes the passenger to the highest point of the city of Gangtok. One can truly enjoy the panoramic view and thrilling rise as the ropeway goes over the city. Dodrul Chorten Stupa. Dodrul Chorten Stupa was built by the Venerable Tursil Rinpoche, head of the Nyingmapa order of Tibetan Buddhism in 1945. Around the Chorten, one of the most important stupa in Sikkim, there are 108 Mani Lakhar prayer wheels, These prayer wheels are turned by the devout Buddhists while chanting "Hail to the jewel in the lotus" to invoke the Bodhisattva. Namgyal Institute of Tibetology. The most prestigious of its kind in India, the Buddhist Institute is a treasure of a vast collection of rare Lepcha's Tibetan and Sanskrit manuscripts, statues and rare thangkas. Today, it is a renowned worldwide center for study of Buddhist philosophy and religion. Directorate of Handicraft and Handloom. Institute with the aim of promoting and keeping alive the state's traditional art and craft. The Directorate of Handicraft and Handloom is a storehouse of hand-woven woolen carpets with traditional motifs, blanket, shawl and beautifully carved choksi or table and many other gift items. Flower Exhibition Center at Whitehall Complex. Flower exhibitions are organized around the year at the Flower Show venue near the White Memorial Hall Complex, Gangtok. Orchid Show, held during the spring season, is one of the most popular shows organized in the state. Bakthang Waterfalls. 20 minutes drive from the town is Bakthang Waterfalls along the highway leading to North Sikkim. Banjakri Falls Energy Park. The park presents an excellent blend of modernity and tradition based on chakris or sermons. Even we can observe the healing rituals performed by the chakris. It is very interesting to know that this park has its own way of producing energy to fulfill its need, and it has a mini hydroelectric project as well. Visitors can enjoy lifelike statues of the traditional healers, namely Chakri, Phetangba, Bijua, Banjakri and Lemleme. The park has water bodies with an attractive Sikkimese style of bridges over the stream. We can see people enjoying and taking photographs here. Pal Jurmang Kagyot Monastery, Rangka. 20 kilometers away from Gangtok is the Pal Jurmang Kagyot Monastery, a place worth visiting for its religious and exquisite architecture and serene atmosphere. Rumtek Dharmachakra Center. The center is the seat of Kagyot order, one of the 4 major Tibetan Buddhist sects. Since the 1960s, after the arrival of His Holiness the 16th Gyalwa Karmapa, the center houses some of the world's most unique religious scriptures and rare objects.